The Thermaltake View 27 mid-tower PC case stands out for its unique aesthetic and thoughtful design. With its eye-catching gull-wing window, this case is ideal for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and builders who want to showcase their components while maintaining functionality. Here's a detailed review of its features, strengths, and areas for improvement. Design and build quality. The defining feature of the View 27 is its one-piece acrylic gull-wing window that extends across the side and top panels. This innovative design offers an unparalleled view of internal components, making it perfect for RGB setups and those who appreciate clean cable management. The case is primarily constructed from SPCC steel, ensuring durability, while the acrylic window provides a sleek, modern appearance. However, the acrylic panel is prone to scratches, so extra care is necessary during assembly and maintenance. Internal layout and compatibility. The case supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, and its spacious interior accommodates GPUs up to 410 mm in length and CPU coolers up to 155 mm in height. There's ample space for storage, with two 3.5-inch drive bays and two 2.5-inch mounts. While the layout facilitates straightforward assembly, the lack of a dedicated PSU shroud can leave cables exposed, detracting from an otherwise clean aesthetic. Cooling options. Thermaltake designed the View 27 with cooling flexibility in mind. It includes one pre-installed 120mm rear exhaust fan and supports additional fans or liquid cooling radiators. The case allows for up to 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans at the front and 2 120mm fans on the top panel. For liquid cooling enthusiasts, it can accommodate a 360mm radiator at the front, though the absence of top radiator support is a limitation for more advanced cooling configurations. Accessibility and cable management. The tool-free drive bays and ample cable management options simplify the building process. Rubber grommets and tie points ensure clean cable routing, but the cable management space behind the motherboard tray is somewhat narrow, requiring careful planning. Verdict. The Thermaltake View 27 is an excellent choice for builders seeking a visually striking case that balances aesthetics and functionality. Its standout gull-wing design is a major selling point, and it offers solid hardware support and cooling options. However, minor drawbacks like the lack of a PSU shroud and the scratch-prone acrylic panel slightly detract from its appeal. At its price point, the View 27 is a compelling option for those looking to build a showcase-worthy PC. If you watched until this point, please leave a like, and tell me what PC do you have in the comments below. Thank you.